Born from ashes, reborn in fire. But how well do you know the phoenix? What happens to a phoenix when it dies? It bursts into flames and is reborn from its ashes. Is the phoenix usually associated with fire or ice? Fire. In which ancient civilization did the phoenix first appear? Ancient Egypt, as the Bennu bird. What does the phoenix symbolize? Rebirth, immortality, and renewal. What color is a phoenix traditionally described as? Red, gold, and sometimes purple. Which famous bird in Harry Potter is a phoenix? Fox, Dumbledore's phoenix. Still rising from the ashes? Let's see if you can handle this final flame. What is the name of the phoenix in Greek mythology, often said to rise every 500 years? It's simply called phoenix, from the Greek phoenix, meaning crimson. Subscribe for more mythical quizzes, and may you rise again with every challenge.